Hey there, chameleons! Today I'm doing a full face tutorial of a look I've been wearing lately now that it's finally summer and it's time to bring back happy colors again. As you can tell, if you follow me on Instagram, I've been really into oranges lately. The color, not the fruit. Although I do love the fruit, but the color is definitely mine this summer. Anyways, this look is very clean, even though it's colorful, and emphasizes healthy skin, which summer is all about. And this video is in collaboration with Ipsy, and I'll be using some of the June Glam Bag products in this look, so let's get started. One of the items this month is the Charcoal Clay Bubble Mask by Sue Wei, which is carbonated and contains activated charcoal to cleanse and exfoliate your skin. On damp skin, you spread it out on your face, and then after 30 seconds, it oxidizes and starts bubbling. I realized that if you destroy the bubbles, they always come back in another 30 seconds, so it's really fun to play with. After washing it off and doing my regular skincare routine, I'm using my current foundation and beauty blender to give my skin a thin layer of coverage, and then using concealers and a contour stick to clean up my brows and contour my face, mostly focusing on my cheekbones. I'm using an orange cream blush to keep my skin glowy and to give it an understated bit of color that will complement the shadows. It's summer, so your girl is sweating out here, so don't forget to set all of those liquid products. Shout out to the banana powder I forgot I had, but am in love with again. Another product of this month is the Nomad Cosmetics Illuminating Highlighter in Midnight Sun, which is a golden champagne and goes on really smoothly, so it gives a soft, reflective sheen to wherever you highlight. And it's not too overstated, but if you compare it to the other side of my face without the highlight, you can really see a huge difference. Next, I'm filling in my brows, nothing crazy, and brushing them so they're nice and fluffy. I'm using the Urban Decay and Crystal Leanne Daydream Palettes Matte Brown in Subscribe for my transition color in my crease, then adding a white base to my lids to help intensify the next colors. Make sure to blend the edges so that they're soft. Then I'm using the pink from the same palette called 12 out of 12. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'd recommend reducing your fractions. So I'm using 1 on the inner half of my lids, and on the other half, I'm using a matte orange in the Kaleidoscope Dream palette from the same collection called Tajin. I put pink on one side of the brush and orange on the other and use it to blend the two together on my lid. Next, I'm going in with Stay Gold on my lower lash line and Tear Duct and blending it in a bit with the pink shadow. I'm also lightly using this as a highlight under my brow to warm everything up a bit. Next, I'm using the Jante Bleu Felt Tip Liner and doing a really thin line on my upper lash line, and then applying Ardell 122s on top of that. And while that's drying, I'm putting the Rimmel Shake Mascara on my lower lashes. Then once the glue has dried, I'm going over it again with the liner to cover up any remaining glue. Lastly, for lips, I'm using the cutest little lip product that comes in this tiny packaging. And this is the Peri Para Tint Water in Cherry Juice. And it's a lip tint that feels like water, but it's actually a long-lasting lip stain. I'm putting a bit of Aquaphor on top of that for moisture and shine. And the last product of the Glam Bag this month is the Dream by PS Cosmeceutical Infused Nail Lacquer, and I'm wearing the one in Georgia Peach. So that's it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other social media linked in the description box down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you chameleons in the next video. Kisses. Mwah.